let us discuss about recession. So don't be scared as of now. Recession is yet to come. I mean, the thing that we are currently observing, layoffs in multiple product-based organizations from Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Amazon, and whatever we are seeing in other service-based company, like delaying giving offer letter for freshers. uh, there are many multiple US account, those who shut down, either shut down or limited their, like, didn't renew their project, or also like they have cut short the project strength, people strength in companies, and there are some billing issue across. So whatever we are seeing is just a tip of iceberg. So if this is not at all recession, so there is a recession which is anticipated that may hit on possibly 2013 Jan. Situation might even worse in the mid of 2013, 2023 Jan, or even afterwards. But we can see a little downfall of IT, whatever post pandemic, the spike or the boom that we have seen, lot of hikes here and there, lot of switches, a lot of I mean, people are joined to a new company, one company to a different company. So that seems to be little lower this point. So we'll talk about mainly these 4 points today, because I got a lot of query regarding freshers joining, and some people are little skeptical this time whether they should join a service like US based MNCs or not. So, and some people are already going through some of the appraisal and all. So what you should keep in mind, and also I'll try to discuss all the points, since I have a few friends in here and there in almost all service based companies. I also part of one of it. So I'll discuss about all this company strategy, and I'll also discuss what should be your strategy. So if you have something, like, just let us know in the comment section below, so that we can also learn from it. So whatever is happening in your company. So first we'll talk about present situation. So presently there is no major layoff from any of the service based companies like TCS, CTS, Infosys. There might be a two reason, though the billing or the revenue is deducted or declined. But since there is a lot of attrition rate, Cognizant has reported around 37% possibly attrition rate in last quarter, which is possibly the highest attrition rate. Wipro, TCS has approximately 16 to 80%. Company like Accenture also has almost slightly higher than it, so 20-21% like that. So attrition is higher. So company is not laying off anyone, and but company has slowed down the hiring, and they are also not willing to give a huge package to the, joiner, until unless you have a very niche skill. So but in the product based company, yes, there are some layoffs, and company are also trying to restructuring for a lot of product based companies that we have seen. So for a service based company, as of now, this is fine, until unless you are stable in a job, you are doing a great thing. It is okay for, I mean, it's no need to scared of. But it is like, for some companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, they have announced a hike in September itself. So we previously TCS and Infosys, they have a plan to provide hike in December, but they have postponed their preponed their activities and rescheduled, and then in September they will be giving act. Similarly, Wipro has announced one more thing that is a bad thing, I think, for variable pay, which they normally pay 100%. After B3 they will not pay anything. So after B3, C1 is architect or manager. So before that, till B3, they are planning to give 70% maximum variable pay, so which is a financial loss for Wipro employees. Some of the companies, they may also give lower hike. So even if this like Indian MNC, they are planning to give hike in September, so it might be mostly on single digit. And for the top perform, maybe like a double digit, but it's like 10-12% max that is anticipated. Let us see in September, we'll get a clear picture, then I can create one more video on hikes, because a lot of company will give hike on September. So I'll create a different video for that. So as of now, this is the present situation, and if you are currently going through any PIP process or any other process, please look out for a job. And if you're in a like USM MNC, please look out for a job, because I mean, this time, like, this is difficult for clearing any PIP and all. So this is one information. And for freshers, the next, like, some freshers, uh, I mean, is most of the case companies are delaying to provide like offer letter. They are not giving joining letter. Joining, it's like, I mean, it's way ahead, but even if they didn't share the offer letter. So if you're a freshers and if you're watching this video, be assured, like, if you got cracked any of the like account, be it like a company, be it service based company, or like, Indian service based company like TCS, Wipro or Infosys, or Mindtree, or any other US companies like Accenture, or maybe Cognizant or IBM. So rest assured, they will give you the join offer letter and joining letter, but it might be delay. So post October, somewhere post October, November, you may expect the offer letter, or even before that. But joining letter can be delayed. It may be like next year. It may be possible that you will get it on next year. So based on the account, based on this like pool, and the joining will be based on the location also. So there are a lot of factor. So they will not take a huge like, fresh shares at one position. But one thing that I can like share you one tip. So if you have a multiple job offer, suppose you have got TCS, Accenture and IBM, and if you are planning to join Accenture due to maybe say small hike or small like, some joining bonus, and if you got offer, or if you got the joining dates early for the TCS, do join the first company which is giving you the joining option. Because do not like, if you have multiple offer, do not take risk. So join the first company, those who are giving, willing to give you the joining first. So this is my take for the freshers. For experience, I already told, like it is same, like as of now, no need to scared. But if you are planning to switch, do your due diligence properly, because it may be due to some reason your joining dates, or and all for US based company MNCs, it might be delayed. So as of now, it is not the right time for switch. And even if you are planning to switch, you may not get the proper hike. So maybe you can wait for a while. And if you are really planning to switch these days, try to join a mid-size or a product-based company, or try to join a company other than US MNCs. So US MNCs, specifically US, they are not giving that much hike whatever they have given in post-pandemic. And that is one for applicable for job seeker. I mean, lateral entries that I told. So I think that is what I have observed in my current company, and what I got news from my friends, those who are working in multiple several other organizations. So if you have some more information regarding this recession, which is really scary, and which is really like, like a post pandemic, what we have observed, a lot of hikes, lot of new opportunities, lot of new projects, that is already these days is already streamlined, and it is like going to declining basically. So if you have more thought, please do let us know in the comment below, so that we can get more knowledge